Hello and welcome to Bird's Eye View. John's Big Gay Orgy Fantasy Football League, Week 8. Weekly matchup and league activity analysis. I'm Bird. Last week I was 5 for 5, fading every single one of my bets. So we're gonna keep that going today. That brought me to 14 and 35 overall, 40%. Jumped 10 percentage points last week, so it was a good week. Also, the Birds bets hit last week, so hopefully you got on it. We are officially, depending on what they decide to do with week 17, halfway through the year. So only 8 more of these, hopefully. Weekly matchups, let's get into it. We're gonna stick with the fade every one of my general instincts. So 69ers versus Catalina Wine Mixin. Taking the Catalina Wine Mixin. The real Brian Taggart versus Dick Fife. I probably usually take the real Brian Taggart. Gonna take Dick Fife this week. LA Fire and Plague Relief versus My Team is Good, Pause Not, otherwise known as a bunch of pigeons. I would usually take a bunch of pigeons. Gonna take Laguna Fire and Plague. My Cock Small versus Please Set on My Face. I guess I'll take Please Set on My Face. Ash and Top Brian Bottom versus Licking Clit. I will be fading the typical Pete bet and taking Licking Clit. What we're not going to fade is the parlay this afternoon, the afternoon games. Okay, we're going to parlay the 3 afternoon games: Bears plus 5.5, Seahawks minus 1.5, and the Denver Broncos plus 3.5. Lock it in. You're going to like that one. Other than that, go Broncos, go States. Go 69ers. Oh, I'm so nervous for this. And I'll see you next week. Cheers.
Oh my God.